Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Crossing the bridge.
If I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
So, dito tayo titira sa paligid natin, mga bundok. Alright, and ito yun, Alatao, Hotel Alatao. So, ano to? Para siyang transient hotel siya. And so, yan. Basic lang. Ayan si Guy, naghuhubad. Ayan si Hopi. Naglalaro siya ng open shot the bathroom. So, yun lang siya. Napaka-basic. Tapos, walang AC dito, guys, kasi sobrang lamig siya. Malamig siya dito. Heater ang meron dito. So, sa labas, ganyan siya. Kaya may naghuhukay. Inaayos pa nila yung labas, yung garden. I think gagawin nila tong malupitang garden. So, malamig talaga. Pag lumabas ka, manginginig ka. So, kung gusto mong malamig, open mo yung bintana para malamig. Gaya nito. Let's see kung mabubugsan. Oops. Yan. Pwede siyang buksan.
There's no better way to start your day at the hotel than to be warmly welcomed with good food. A delicious home-cooked meal thoughtfully prepared with care and expertise by a talented Kazakh chef.
Good morning. Another day. Breakfast time.
Morning. Say good morning.
Good morning, Hopi.
Morning.
Let's eat. It's 8:47 a.m. November 23. On the way tayo sa next door natin, Polsai Lake. Yan. So, ready na yung sasakyan. Nandun na rin si Laglay tsaka si Hopi. So, ready na rin lahat. So, ito yung beauty ng lugar na to. Kapaligid sa atin, mountain. Hotel Alatao. Itong area na to. Sarap. Let's go! Na tayo sa entry point ng Polsai. Pero kailangan mong bumili ng ticket doon. Yan, bumibili yung guide namin. 2,800. So, ano ba yung mapupuntahan natin doon? So, tignan natin. Ito siya. So, yan yung mga animals na nandun sa loob. May bear. Ito. So, ang daming animals pala. May wolf din. Ito yung Polsai Lake. Yan. So, dyan tayo pupunta. Okay? Let's go. Doon ang Polsai. Papasok doon. Dito na tayo sa Polsai. Ah! Is it cold? Whoa! Oh, there's a bird!
From above, Polsai Lake in Kazakhstan reveals a breathtaking panorama of emerald waters nestled between lush alpine forest and towering snow-capped mountains. The lake's serene mirror-like surface reflects the surrounding natural beauty, creating a mesmerizing harmony of blue and green hues.
Start na tayo. I hope he's walking! And mommy! We're going there. Sa pinakababa ng lake. Dito na tayo sa first point ng Polsai. Ganda ng lake.
Walking down to Causay Lake with my wife and little daughter Kayin was a peaceful experience. Kayin held my hand tightly, carefully navigating the trail, while my wife walked beside us, smiling. We could hear the faint sound of the water in the distance, building our excitement as we got closer.
Dito na kami sa second point, sa baba. Can we see the baby? Oh, the baby! Ito yung mga bawal. Ganda, no? Tapos, nakakatawa doon. May coffee shop sa harap mismo nito. Crossing the bridge.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Oh, let's look there.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic
Let's
lights.
check on the other side. Look.
And I really wanna know,
No fish.
if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will
Okay, go
keep
up.
on searching for my
Yeah, one.
highs.
2, 3,
You
4,
can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
7,
Even if the sky is falling down.
10. Walk slowly. Okay, walk slowly. Oh. Oh.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
wolf.
So si Laglay, iniwan muna natin doon, no? Ano na sila? Check natin yung location. Tayo ng konti. Yan. So, malawak pa pala to. Puntahan lang natin yung dulo, tapos balik tayo. Linaw ng tubig. Wow. Ito yung susunod na stop. Kanina pa ako tumitingin dun sa tubig, pero wala akong makitang isda. So from here, makikita nyo yung water pedal. Medyo malayo. Mamaya zoom natin sa dulo. Okay. Na-reach na natin yung pinaka-end. Ito yung pinaka-end niya. Zoom natin yung kabilang side. Para makita natin. Boom! Okay. Ayan. Yan yung pedal boot. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, pwede kayo mag-pedal dyan. So, kanina naglakad kami. Saan tayo galing, di ba? Lakad tayo pa ganon. Punta doon. Kung nilakad mo siya. Yun yung pedal boat.
Standing here at Colsay Lake, I'm in awe of the sheer beauty surrounding me. The emerald waters are so calm and clear, reflecting the towering mountains and the endless sky above. The landscape is a masterpiece. Every detail, the vibrant green and the rocky peaks, feels like it was perfectly crafted. It's moments like this that remind me of the greatness of God. Only He could create something so majestic, so peaceful, so inspiring. Being here makes you pause and appreciate His handiwork. The way every element fits together in perfect harmony. Truly, this is nature at its finest. A glimpse of God's incredible creation.
Once in a lifetime trip. Mahirap ulitin yung mga ganitong bagay. So minsan, grab mo na yung chance. Take photos, to take videos. Amazing.
As I take in this breathtaking view, I'm reminded of how nature reflects the love of God for all of us. Just as He shaped these mountains and filled this lake with life, He also crafted each of us with care and purpose. His love is as vast as the sky and as deep as these waters, always surrounding us, even we don't see it. Being here is a reminder to pause, be still, and trust in His perfect design, not just in nature, but in our lives as well.
Woo! Gusto niyang gawin. Gusto niyang maglaro dyan.
Mama, get the wipes.
So, bumili tayo ng coffee natin. Yan, soft coffee. And ito yung beer natin. Diba? Sarap. Yum, yum. Okay, tapos na tayo. Papunta na tayo ngayon ng balik tayo sa accommodation. Kain lang tayo ng lunch. May mga kabayo rin dito. Kung gusto niya rent. Doon, bakit? Okay. So si Hopi, ang gusto niya kasi umakyat lang talaga ng hagdanan. So ito, magsasawa siya sa hagdanan ngayon. Puro hagdanan lang. Paakyat. Good job, Hope! Pag naakyat ni Hope ito, ibig sabihin naakyat niya from the lake hanggang sa tuktok. Ayaw niya magpabuhat. Amazing, no? Oh, that's not a toy. That's a display. Saka bumili kami ng ref magnet. 1,000 tenge. Ready tayo ng plastic kasi si Hope susuka. Pero malapit na kami. Pabalik na kami sa bahay. Accommodation, kakain ng lunch. Ayan. Tulog na si Hope, nakatikit na. Inantok. Layo nung niya, nilakad niya. Ano tayo? Back to lunch time. After nito punta kami ng Candy Lake. Yun lang ang gagawin natin. Tapos, pahinga na ulit. Tomorrow, another adventure tayo. Okay. So yung tubig na ginagamit nila ganito. Arzu. Kailangan natin magkasarili. This trout, mountain trout. Okay. Kabayan. Kabayan. Hello. Hello. Oops. Oops, Lex. Kaya. Alex is drinking, oh. Alex is drinking the water. Nice. Wow. May na-aksidente kanina. Ayan, may nalaglag dun. May nalaglag na turista. Ayan. Nalaglag siya.